one of the oldest countries in the world is China. Its history spans more than 5 millennia. China has become the birthplace of paper, gunpowder, porcelain, compass, and many other important inventions, without which progress would have been impossible. China has come a long historical way, from humiliation and poverty to the largest economy in the world. Confucianism, communism, elements of market and planned economies, multicultural life with the largest megacities of the world and backward settlements are intertwined in its culture. However, these antagonisms only fascinate and attract. Millions of tourists travel to China to find answers to important questions for themselves, to understand the Chinese soul and the reasons for the Chinese economic miracle. All pandas in the world belong to China. Chinese New Year is the most revered holiday in the country. The celebrations last 15 days and are held on an extraordinary scale. In 2023, it runs from January 22nd to February 9th.
Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here.